Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Wednesday, October the 3rd, 2018. Well, today we had a unanimous decision, or did we? Let's take a look and see what I mean by that. First of all, we were concerned about the IWM with the way it's been pulling back here as of late. Well, we did have a little bit of a reversal today. We'd have a nice green candle here, above average volume. We did not close above yesterday's open, but definitely headed in the right direction. So, that was a fairly nice candle considering. Now the Dow set another all-time record intraday and close. But the only bad news is that after it hit that, we had this sell-off towards the end of the day. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. Of course, everybody is worried about this double top scenario going on. So, we'll have to see if we can continue with this, uptrend, or if it's going to reverse on us. Now the Qs had just barely eked out a positive for the day, and the same thing. We closed near lows. We've got these topping wicks on several candles here. If you go all the way back here to last week, you can see the topping wicks on all those. So even though we were up a little bit, very little change from yesterday, and not a real bullish sign. And the spiders, same thing. We had a little bit of that gap up today, but then basically pulled back and closed just a little bit above where we closed yesterday. So, we do have up markets across the board, but had some pullback that may be of some concern. So as always with this very volatile market, we're just going to have to watch and see what happens in the coming days. Now for your market update, let's go ahead and take a look and see how the for the Holly update. And you can see Holly Grill had 22 trades for a profit of $1.62. Risk on profit was $4.47. So Holly did very, very nice there. And you can see here she had a long list of strategies to choose from. Now Holly 2.0 only had 4 strategies, 3 long, 1 short. And she only picked strategies out of 2 of them. And she did not do near as well. Only 9 trades, lost 45 cents. And the risk on, she lost $1.51. Holly Neo had 19 trades. Once again, a little longer list of strategies to choose from. Made 99 cents, but on the risk on, she lost $1.84. So Holly had a little bit of a rough day, but the way it boiled down, she had 50 trades for a profit of $2.16. Risk on profit only $1.12. For the week, we're sitting at 152 trades, $2.12 profit, $5.92 risk on profit. So that's your Holly update, and we'll take a quick look to see if there's any trades that are very spectacular. And the best, we had a tie for the risk off. That was CRC, a bullish pullback, and you can see here 47 cents and then 52 risk on. Got out for a profit save. And then she had for 47 cents, but had you stayed in that trade until the end of the day, you could have made $1. Got out for a timed exit. That was bullish pullback as well. And the risk on, it was just reversing the 2. And now we'll go ahead and look at Holly 2.0, and not a whole lot going on here. MCFT was her best risk on trade, only 23 cents, and TRPX was her risk off trade, and you can see that was actually a fairly nice trade for 50 cents. But same thing, if you didn't exit, and she got out for the profit save, you would have lost all your money except for 2 cents. Now Holy Grail, a little nicer here. We had PBF was the winner in the risk off, and you can see here, got in 57 cents. Had you held till the end of the day, $1.19, and that was the best in both categories. We also had WBS that had a $1.11 risk on profit, and she got out because she hit her stop. And as we see on some of these, she gets in just a tad early, and then if you use that, as we always talk about, the man with the machine, use some of your abilities, and you see when it reverses and goes back through, you may want to go ahead and try a chunk of it. Or the other thing is, sometimes when it hits that stop, would be to go ahead and just sell half of it and hold the other half. So you have all kind of different options you can use. And I would like to once again invite you to try out our live trading room hosted by Barry Einerson. It is open Monday through Friday, 9 to 3:30. This is the link to get into that room. You do need to set up a login name and a password, but it is totally free. And if you want to get a little bit of a feel for what that room is like, you can sign up and get the daily recap videos and get a short 5-10 minute video each day of what Barry does in the room and the highlights of it. So it's all kind of things there. Once again, I'll put these links in the YouTube comments, and you can always follow me on my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, or StockTwits. And if you got anything out of this video, we'd sure appreciate the thumbs up. Maybe drop a comment in the comment section there, and maybe even share it with some friends. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to these videos. That way you never miss one. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.